Did you know one afternoon of injustice in Paris quietly changed the entire map of the Middle East? In 1894, a French Jewish army officer named Alfred Dreyfus was dragged into a courtyard in Paris. His medals were ripped from his uniform, his sword was broken in front of him, and a crowd screamed slurs at him as it happened. He had been convicted of selling military secrets to Germany. The evidence was forged. The real traitor was someone else entirely. Watching from the press gallery that day was a journalist named Theodor Herzl, and what he saw shook him to his core. If this could happen in France, the most enlightened nation in Europe, then Jewish people were never truly safe inside someone else's country. 2 years later, Herzl published a pamphlet calling for a Jewish homeland. He spent the rest of his life fighting for it. He died in 1904, never seeing the result. But in 1948, the State of Israel was founded. One staged humiliation, one journalist in the crowd, one century changed forever.